Hello, my name is Camilleri, editor for Pmnews Malta. Here by my side, my colleague and also journalist Rita for Pmnews Media. We are here to give you a brief of what's going on and what we are going to be faced off by next week on the 3rd of February. Rita will explain more what we need and
Why
also
we're here.
why we're here.
So, hi everyone. Like Mario just explained, now we're going to be facing criminal charges against us. The trial will be starting next week, exactly on the 3rd of February. We're here because we need your help, we need your support. We'd like to take the opportunity to thank all those who sent their messages showing their support, but now we need also to raise the funds. Thanks to our friends, we managed to have the fundraising account, and which will be the link will be posted in the description box along with this video clip, and we will also be making other links
For
where you can follow us.
Yeah, that's right. There will be under
the description.
description side. This case, it's just give you a brief. We have interviewed Matthew, an ex gay, and we have give him the space and for freedom of speech, where we have also made some questions, and then we have received the police.
Yes, we have received accusations
from the police.
And
so on, and we are now here facing allegations, and we are going in the court case, and we have also our lawyers and so on. So this case,
we can't reveal much about the case up to date because obviously it's sub judice, but we will be updating you accordingly as the case will be proceeding along.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.